We have here Sonja Buermans with me, also from UCI. She's a financial advisor and she's going to explain to us more the operational part of applying for a mortgage. Hello, Sonja.
Hello, Daniella.
Thank you for coming. A warm welcome to you as well.
Thank you.
I have a lot of questions about the procedures, how to apply for a loan, what kind of documents you need. Let's get on.
Okay, well, thank you very much for the invitation and for having the opportunity to explain, because it might seem like something very complicated, and sincerely we try to do it as smooth as possible, the voyage for the clients. So basically what we offer to the clients, even before they arrive here in Spain, we offer them the possibility, without any cost, to have their mortgage pre-approved.
Oh, excellent. One of my questions would have been about pre-approval mortgage, that the clients, they understand their financial situation. They know what are they looking for exactly.
Exactly. We work backwards. So we would give them a mortgage pre-approval so that they know exactly, okay, that is the amount that we can get as a loan. And then as well, in function of their personal budget, they can calculate and you as well, you can indicate them then, budget-wise, a property that are available for them.
Yeah, that exactly fits into their budget to avoid any kind of hard feeling that they are mismatching their budget and their expectation.
Exactly. As well, it gives them a very strong advantage, because having their mortgage pre-approved, when they find their dream home, which they will, they can sign actually already a reservation without any problems. The mortgage pre-approval is always subject to valuation of the property. So we are already entering a little bit into the process. But so the first thing that we always recommend the clients, even before they arrive here, is through you, they contact us. Then obviously we ask a series of documents, which are basic documents. If they are employed, well, the latest 3 pay slips, latest tax declaration. Very important is the origins of their personal contribution. We need to know where it comes from, savings or the selling of a property, etc. And then as well some bank statements and usually a credit report as well, which will depend from where they are from and the country where they reside. Once we receive these documents, we analyze them, we assess them in the best way possible, because each client is very different. And well, I've been working already for 23 years, so the good thing is that we know what the analysts as well want to see and how they want to see it. So we put everything onto the table and we see what is the best option really for the clients within the mortgage, the Spanish mortgage law. So once it has been assessed, we present it to our analyst and then we receive a formal mortgage pre-approval. The next step afterwards is for them to find their property. And then once they found the property, we go back to work. So we have to do a valuation of the property. Sometimes we need to maybe update some of the documents because obviously the analysts have to make sure that the approval conditions are still met, because sometimes we have clients that come back to us 1 year afterwards and obviously we reactivate their file. And then administrative-wise, they have to get an NIE number. Some of them already have one, some need to ask for one, but we do the process in parallel so that, let's say that in 2 weeks' time, we could be in position to receive their binding offer documents, which will be the last step before going to completion at notary. Once they sign their binding offer documents, which is, by the way, done digitally, so it's very easy. It's done in 2 minutes. It's like a standard bank statement you need to do. And so once this is done, the documents are automatically sent to the digital platform of the notary. And then we have to start counting 10 natural days, which is considered as a cooling off period for them by mortgage law. And then afterwards, we go to notary. And then that's where champagne gets on table. And then your clients receive their keys of their dream home. Afterwards, there's still a bit of work from our side, but for the clients, it's just for them stepping into their new home.
And to enjoy it. That's the
Yes.
best part.